Hello everyone. This is Guru Charan Das Adepu, lecturer in management, government degree college, Siddipet Autonomous. Today we have a topic: mobile commerce business models. Um, M-commerce business models we will discuss now. A business model determines the path or process through which a business organization can achieve some profit. Correct. It shows how an organization can make an investment, add some value to the investment, get a finished product or service, and generate income by selling the product or service. The income generated from the sale must exceed the operating cost for the company to make a profit. Okay, in order to get the profit, the income must exceed the cost. The income generated from the sales must exceed the operating costs for the company to make a profit. Business models specify the mechanism for generating profit margins and maintaining them in the value chain. Okay, thus business models help managers with the strategic planning and formulation of the entire business strategy of the organization. E-commerce has some traditional business models that are widely used by all of the major e-commerce providers around the world. These include the dealer model, broker model, service provider model, advertiser model, and so on. Mobile commerce business models differ from electronic commerce because of their fundamental differences in operation and technology, which we have discussed so far. Since mobile commerce gives users additional mobility, the business models also reflect the nature of mobility. The four most important services of mobile commerce are payment service is one, mobile advertising is another, and mobile shopping, and the last one is mobile entertainment. Accordingly, the business models of mobile commerce also revolve around these four applications only. Okay, the four major business models which we are going to discuss here are: one is payment model. In this model, mobile payment service providers offer mobile payment services that enable users to conduct cashless payment transactions, including bank transactions, stock trading, okay, tax or bill payments, and ticket or other retail purchases using a credit or debit card or bank pin. Today what we are using for the purposes we are discussing here. The payment service providers work with banks or other financial institutions or mobile network operators, accordingly receive a bank controlled mobile payment model or an operator controlled mobile payment model. Following, the payment service provider charges a certain percentage fee for each payment transaction made using the payment application. Alternatively, the user can pay a nominal monthly subscription fee to the payment service provider and can use the service as and when required. Okay, this is regarding payment model. Next, we'll discuss about advertiser model. The model, okay, advertiser model is an extension of traditional e-commerce advertiser model and provides mobile websites that can be viewed by mobile user on their portable mobile devices. Okay, advertising. Okay, advertiser model when model, okay, these mobile advertising websites actually offer users some basic services such as email services, search engines, news services, social networking services, and publish promotional messages on these websites for wider reach. The advertisements often come with purchase buttons that allow users to purchase the product directly from their mobile devices. The mobile payment services are also provided to facilitate mobile uh, purchase directly from the advertising websites. The advertising companies pay a fixed fee to the advertising websites for the presentation of their advertising messages. Additional revenue is generated for every purchase transaction the user make to the website. If you see the slide, you will find the advertiser model. How advertiser you will see in this, and at the same time, uh, mobile operator at the middle, okay, and message receiver also you will find, that is uh, through a server, right? And when we move on to another model, that is shopping model, this model is similar to the e-commerce retailer model, in which retailer creates mobile websites to display their range of products on customers' mobile devices. The mobile user can browse the mobile websites on their web-enabled mobile screens and select and purchase any product of their choice. Okay, in shopping model, if you see the slide, you will find that, okay, through mobile, okay, you will get anything, you can purchase anything of your choice. Mobile payment option is also provided in the website so that the user can make mobile payment for the purchased product and complete the deal even while in transit or far away from the actual store location. Thus, shopping model allows retailer to generate additional revenues through mobile shopping and can improve their profit margins. The last one is fourth one is content provider model. If you see the slide, you will come across the image of that content provider model in the slide. In this model, mobile service provider offer a variety of entertainment content such as breaking news, weather forecast, you will find traffic information, music, mobile games, TV shows, video content, and movies. You will see on content provider model, which can be downloaded by the user from his mobile device. Network operators are connected to various content providers and offer mobile customers both subscription based and service based uh, and pay per use services. Okay, location based services such as map based navigational services, discount coupons offered in local retail stores and restaurants, news, etc., are also delivered in customer mobile devices. The revenue is generated through the subscription fees for news, traffic, weather updates, movies, and games. When the usage fee, TV shows, video games, etc., are emails, ebooks, etc. Various media houses, press agencies, or content aggregators follow this model in order to generate additional income via mobile channel. And now we'll see e-commerce and a overview. We go through it. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce. Okay. So far we have discussed mobile commerce. Mobile commerce is a subset of e-commerce, and we'll have an overview on this e-commerce. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce. It refers to buying and selling of goods, products, services over the internet. E-commerce, okay, over the internet. Mobile also, what we are doing through internet only. Of course, however, e-commerce is a methodology of modern business which addresses the need of business organization, vendor, and customer to reduce cost and improve the quality of goods and services while increasing the speed of delivery. Okay, it is too different from the traditional business. However, we are using the electronic device. Mobile is also electronic device, but it is a handheld. That's why we call it as mobility. We call it as mobile commerce. Here, the term e-commerce also comprises the other activities, including online auctions. We can what we have performed so far through the mobile can be performed through the e-commerce business only. Online actions, internet banking, payment gateways, and online ticketing. Some popular e-commerce platforms which we have already come across in mobile commerce are the same: Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, IndiaMart, and Snapdeal. These are also extending their services on e-commerce platforms. Mobile, they have mobile apps for their extension of mobile services. E-commerce is also known as internet commerce. We can also call it as internet commerce. And now uh, it is time to in the next class we will discuss features of e-commerce, and I'll end the session for today's topic. Thank you for being here.